Hey guys, you're here for the love of tech. A new product in the studio today. Problems I am looking to solve. So what I have is an issue when I go out in public. I'm doing recordings. I'm trying to record two people at once. The issues, the inconsistencies, the scratchiness of the clothes, of the cloth, of the elements of the wind even on the lav mics. It's like not a good experience. So what I thought was getting a wireless system that's capable of recording two people at the same time. And this is what I came up with. This is the DJI mic. This is, as far as I know, the first of its kind, the only of its kind. And you can go ahead and use it with a smartphone. You can use it with anything that you're trying to enhance the audio experience. What you're hearing right now is the stock microphone on my Sony A7S3 or S4, A7S3. I think this is the A7S3. Love this. This uses like my side cam. So this is that audio you're hearing right now. This audio you're hearing right now is right out of the DJI Ronin 4D camera. Not very good, not very amazing. This audio that you're hearing right now is from my Rode NTG 3 or something or other. It's my over the head microphone. Here's the little cover that I keep on it. You guys don't really know that this is here or it's doing it, but it's my boom mic, catches the audio smooth and clear. Now what we're gonna do is listen to see what this sounds like. Well, if I'm gonna do that, I think I need to unbox it. Let's go ahead and help the plastic along with a couple well-placed little cuts. So there we go, and we have a lovely green little tag right here to help us with our unboxing. Oh, made for iPhone. Look at that. So this will work with your iPhone maybe, but maybe not your Android. I don't know. That's kind of sad. Well, we'll see. All right, so here is our unboxing experience. This is it. A nice, it's a white thingy. It's underneath. What's in the box? What's in the box? So in this part of the box, we have a case. Inside the case, we've got some gizmos and goodies. We have a, looks like 35 to 35. We've got some cattails, is that what they call them? And we've got a USB to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. Anyways, it's the cord that's silly. Now, the rest of it looks like it is in here. Here we go. So DJI usually has pretty legit packaging on just about everything. This far, it's been slightly underwhelming, but this is pretty cool right here. This little guy is pretty snazzy. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, that is the whole kit right there. Oh, I totally see why they say it's made for iPhone. Oh, this thing is so cool. Look, it just lit up on me and it's telling me information. So this one, it gives me 15.1 hours. That's 15.1 hours. It is in the charging case, so it's charging as we speak. There is a USB-C power adapter, power input right there. They didn't give us a wall adapter though, so that's what, pretty cheap, if you don't mind me saying so. I don't know how this is gonna work. If I have to get a button or if I have to do a thingy, I don't really know. But let's pull it out. So this is my microphone. Does it just work? This is, oh my gosh. Look at this. It's lame. I gotta set it up. It knows today's date. So the DJI mic has lots of different capabilities. One of them is it can connect directly to your smartphone. So back here is our transmitter. Oh, and here's our little clip that popped right out of it. This is if we need to connect this to our camera, which we don't at the moment. So here is our little screen. We've got some options, receiver, gain, all that stuff. Now over here we have our transmitters, these little guys. So they're green, it's coming on, we're good to go. We've got one over here as well. And then in the middle here, we have a connector, which allows, I believe, this guy right here to connect to your smartphone of choice. So this is for a USB-C. So this is most likely more geared towards your Android type of users. So let me see how complicated it is to get that in there. So after it slides in, it goes in, there's a nice little satisfying click, and then you can go ahead and use that with your Android device. Go ahead, pull that out right there, and the same thing with your Apple device, because it's the only thing in the world that actually runs Apple is Apple. So we know this is for your iPhone. You can use this to plug into your smartphone and use one of these to record your beautiful voice. So let's go ahead and try a little bit of this out and see what it actually sounds like. So we have this going. We have our receiver right here, which is touchscreen. And you can see, you can change the decibels just by touching it. See, it's a little touch screen. How cool is that? It's a little touch screen. So there it is. We're actually gonna rock this out at just 0. We're gonna rock it at 0 baseline, and it's also gonna give us a recording at a -6 as the backup. So here's our receiver. It's 250 meters. I don't really know how far away that is. Let's see how many feet is 250 meters? 820 feet. So you can be 820 feet from this and to this. So from what I gather, we only have a couple different buttons here. I think these are ready to go and they're already paired. I'm hoping that is the case because I don't want to do anything else. So go ahead and finish this experience. We have an output right here. What could that be for? Well, easy peasy. We could go ahead and take this and plug it in, and then take this and plug it directly into your DLS camera, directly into your old smartphone if you have it, or into another camera or a recording device. So if you have like an H5 or an H whatever Zoom recorder, you can plug this in to record it wirelessly if you want, if you need more memory or something of that nature. And then a little animation came up that confirmed that I just unplugged this, and I guess that is correct. I did just unplug it, so that was pretty clever. But I think these are already ready to go and they're synced up. So let's go ahead and hit the record button right there. So we don't have a whole lot of stuff to work with here. We've got a microphone, we've got that spot, which I don't really know what that's for. It looks like it could go that. Well, that does fit in there. So that could go in there in case you need it for some reason. Don't know why. There's your microphone and there's your sync button, but I'm just concerned with the record button for right now. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that and see if anything else happens as far as connection wise, an indicator that we are recording. Nothing as of yet. Not really sure how we start recording. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this button to see if that does something else. All right, so I think it's recording right now. Go ahead and see. So it is indicating that that channel is now recording, and you can't see that little guy right there. See that little guy? So that little guy is recording. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the same thing that we did. Turned on the sync button. We got the sync going. And then after that was going, I just hit record and it picked up, and the same thing happened again. So we're gonna come over here, and now it looks like it says that is recording. So I don't know if we're recording one channel or if we're recording 2 channels right now. I'm really not too sure. But we are recording. I haven't quite figured it all out. Couple other little nifty features I wanted to run through with you guys is this clip goes right here. So you put the clip on, and you're talking, you're doing stuff, this is how it sounds. This is how the clip sounds. This is how this sounds a little bit further away from me, so you can hear how that audio sounds. And now that we've got all the clips going again, let's go ahead and review. This is the Rode NT-G, sounds phenomenal. This is the DJI Ronin 4D built-in onboard microphone. This is our Sony a7S III onboard built-in microphone. This is our DJI recorder mic, if you will, clipped directly on the outside of my shirt. This is the DJI recorder a little bit away from me, so this is how it sounds at a bit of a distance. Now there's another option other than this clip. So on the back of both of these, there is a very powerful magnet. So powerful, I didn't think it was going to come off, but I read it and I confirmed that it does come off. So there's a magnet right here. Now, why do we need this magnet? We're going to take our recorder and we're going to put it on the inside of our shirt. Why are we doing that? Maybe we don't want it to be seen or as prominent or to draw as much attention to it with our viewers. Maybe we want to be discreet. Maybe we want to go ahead and just have phenomenal audio and keep you guessing as to how we did it. So many different things. But if you think this tiny little cute system is for you, you can work it into your workflow, into your production floor, or if you just need it as a backup microphone or maybe a main microphone, then head down to the description and follow the Amazon affiliate link that I have so generously provided for you. Guys, if you like what you saw today and you want to see more of me or more content like this on the channel, hit that subscribe button, give me that thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And for the love of tech, till next time, namaste.